Castries city is a daily hub of activity, with blaring horns, thick exhaust fumes, and a constant flow of commuters. But navigating the city isn't easy. Drivers often gripe about the lack of parking, a long-standing issue officials have failed to fix. Castries Central MP Richard Fedric cites the legal troubles surrounding long-awaited parking meters as a major setback.
There are legal issues. And I have a letter on my phone now that refers to a letter prior that was dated the 19th of July 2021. That would have been exactly a week before the general elections, and I really don't know why anyone would want to get the attention of the administration in an institution that is, basically there's political involvement in the appointment of those persons. I don't know why one would write a letter at that time, but basically the letter was written on the 19th of July 2021. There was a change of administration, and like I said, there were two different companies with which CCC had signed contracts.
The parking meters were procured under former Mayor Peterson Francis during the Alan Chastney-led administration. Back in 2017, the public was assured they'd be installed within weeks. Years later, the city still has no functional meters. Now, according to MP Richard Fedric, the long-awaited meters come with a hefty price tag.
Right now, I know a demand is being made for some $234,000. I have absolutely no clue as to the foundational basis for that claim.
While grappling with the legal woes inherited at the Castries City Council, Frederick says he's pleased with the progress toward resolving the issues and placing the CCC on firmer footing.
Since I have been in office, since this government assumed office, CCC has not had one judgment against it. All we do, we keep satisfying judgments. We are trying to make them go away, but they don't go away overnight, and so we have to take an approach that is, it's kind of sporadic in that you have to give every judgment that a little something. Give them something here, something there, something there, to ensure that the whole burden of those judgments don't weigh down on you. And that is what the situation is, but it is sad. That's the way it is.
There's still no clear timeline for when drivers will benefit from functional parking meters, as officials appear no closer to making them operational, even as more vehicles continue to flood the island.